Hi guys, welcome back to Real Life Precision. We just got back from Crawfordsville Gun Club. Did my first competition today. Went over there, literally got my feet wet. It poured all morning over there for the 50-yard portion of the match. It finally did let up and stop raining for the 100-yard portion, so that was nice because we had to walk a little further to the target backers, and we didn't have to do it in the rain, so that was good. But literally got my feet wet. I'm going to show some time-lapse footage of the match. You won't see me or hear me talking, really. It's somewhat candid, but space was a little bit confined. So I had the better half, just running the camera, and of course my tripod was broken, so some of the video is a little bit shaky where she didn't have a place where she could actually set the tablet down to do the recording. So, but she did a great job, bless her heart. She was a trooper all day. This is not really her thing, but she had a lot of fun, and we met some amazing people over there. Everybody willing to help, talk to you. Just some really good people. Had a great time. A lot of cutting up, a lot of knowledge being shared, mostly with me rather than me sharing knowledge, because I don't really have any compared to these guys. These guys have been doing this a while and they're very good. Met another YouTuber over there, Tommy22. I'll spell that out on the screen so you can give his channel a subscribe and watch some of his videos. Also, very good shooter. Very, very good shooter. He was also the match director for this match, and did a great job. Everybody was very welcoming for me and my naivety and my greenness to the competition world. Had a great time. Here's some of my targets. You'll see the video of them being shot, but these are after they're scored. I had a few rough ones there. This one's not so bad. I think this target actually scored a 60. This target scored a 59. Let's see. This target scored a 57. So I dropped a few shots out there, but it's okay. Still learning. This target was actually, let's see, +2, so that target was actually a 62 out of 66 possible. On these targets, if you don't know what the UBR targets are, if you hit the center dot, it's an extra point rather than an X. So there are 6 scoring targets, and then these 2 are slider targets in the center. And so a possible 66 per card. 4 cards per 4 cards per distance, so you end up with 264 points possible for 50 yards, and then 264 yards for the 100-yard portion as well. I don't have my 100-yard targets. I forgot to grab those. But I ended up shooting 239, 50 yards, and 235 for the 100 yards. So I felt like I shot better at 100 yards than I did 50. But I'll put some footage up here for you guys, and enjoy, and think about maybe coming to Crawfordsville Gun Club in Crawfordsville, Indiana. They do this shoot the second Saturday of the month through October, and possibly in November if the weather holds out. You can also check them out on the Ultimate Benchrest website, and the schedule will be on there for this event as well. So give them a check out and enjoy the video. Thanks, guys.
9:30, fellas. Is everybody ready? Range is hot. You may insert your bolts. Time starts now. You can make your range is hot. You may insert your bolt, remove your camera flag. Final card at 50. Time starts now. All right, you may insert your bolts. Range is hot. Time starts now.
There'd be a little bit of a breeze because it all smells middling. Just glad I'm not at work because I've been shipping someone in and out of trailers all day. I was running the ovens all day like that. I was in a couple of attics for all the time yesterday. 140 degrees. It's stupid. There was one fucking insulation kit. I'm like, why the fuck am I out here in July? Yeah, your air conditioner gonna keep struggling until fall when I can send my guys up there.
There's one driver who occasionally we load reefer trailer, and he kept it turned on. I was like, oh, God bless you.
This man's a saint. Got one of the little fans on your fork truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that helps. Keep some air moving on you.
Lucky you might have used to do your job.
Relay 1, target 4. In search of bolts, range is hot. Time starts now.